Did you drift it?
It is good.
Your 4x4 is not in. You don't have a key to this hitch by chance, do you?
I doubt it.
All right, guys. Apparently, we're rolling up on I think like a 2500 on the north end over here that 4x4 would not engage. So.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. Just two-wheel drive right now. What's up? Hey, man.
How are you?
I'm all right. How about yourself?
Good.
What's your name?
Rick.
Rick. John. Nice to meet you. All righty. So it just wouldn't kick in?
I kicked it in. I must have not went, and I went ahead and went for it. And as soon as it hit, dude, it just, you know what I'm saying?
I hear you. So you didn't try and engage it until it started to get stuck already?
No, I mean, it just went right down. I mean,
Gotcha.
So, and then I put it in four-wheel drive.
Right. So
I know for a fact it's in four-wheel drive now, and I just did it a little bit, and I just stopped because it's, you know, it's down.
Okay.
The rear end's on the ground.
If you got four-wheel drive in, you might be able to crawl out.
Well,
I mean, I've just had an F-150 like last week. I would try it. At least a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, just be light when you start it first, easy on the CV axles, but if it's actually getting power, I think there's a good chance you get out of there.
Well, these tires ain't the best for.
They ain't too bad. I got them on my personal truck. They don't do too bad.
Yeah. They're a great road tire though.
Yeah.
It drives like a Cadillac.
Oh, dude, great. Well, and you only got a lot of room to air down, a lot more wheel than tire, you know what I mean?
I just swapped them. I went from a 24-14 and went to these 20s because.
Well, that's good. At least you went smaller than 24s. That's insane.
15 wide.
Yeesh.
Tired. Let's see.
Yeah, try and pull
Should I go reverse?
Try and go forward at first, just a little bit, nice and easy. Keep going. Your 4x4 is not in. Does it say it's in? Do you have locking hubs on this or no?
It says it is. It says it's right.
Four-wheel drive, wow.
Let me go to neutral.
Yeah, I mean, you ain't lying. It says it's in.
High, and then watch. So see how it says high?
Yep.
So let me.
All right, so try and go back to low again real quick, just so I'm curious. And then I'm going to have you try and back up a tiny bit, and I'm going to look at the front end while you do it and see if you have a CV that's maybe blown or something. Yeah, no, for sure.
Well, I'm pretty sure that one was spinning.
Let me see. It's not doing nothing. Something ain't right. Yeah, I think the truck's lying to you. Because you're right, it says it's engaged, but it's not spinning.
Okay, well.
I mean, so I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I mean, if it was telling you it wasn't locked in, then that would be one thing, but you're right, it says it's in. But it, sure enough, I mean, it kind of seems like there's a little bit of a binding, but the drive shaft's spinning, so the diff is getting power, but then the CV axles aren't spinning. So it might be something in the front diff, either electronically not engaging or if a gear spun or something maybe. But all right, I mean, we can pull it back up onto the ramp, and then, I mean, even if you guys still want to go to the beach, if it's just y'all, I tell people, if you go down south, that kind of area, the tide wash is all the way up. So it's open to two-wheel drive. So you wouldn't even need four-wheel drive to go out there and park for the day. So I'll get it all hooked up, get a rope on it, and I'll just have you in reverse.
Yeah.
But just a little bit passenger, and we'll just crawl it back up on the concrete, okay? All right. A little worried about this golf cart. Oh, you know what? He's got a locked hitch on there. You don't have a key to this hitch by chance, do you?
I doubt it.
Okay.
I doubt it.
Okay, that's okay. I think
You can't hook to my hitches.
I can run around it. We just prefer not to. It's not as secure, technically. You know what I mean? Well, I don't mean like your hitch isn't secure. I mean wrapping around it isn't secure, if that makes more sense. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
If it were to come off or something like that.
Absolutely, then it's flying up.
Right, exactly. So
Is there anything else up under there?
just your safety chain spots, but I trust the hitch more. Holy cow, this thing's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just run around this. It'll be fine. I'm pulling you nice
I
and
know I
light.
should have just gunned it when I came in, but it didn't look that bad.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, and if your four-wheel drive ain't working, even if you gunned it, you'd have probably made it a little bit further, but you'd have gotten stuck leaving. Just because when you stop and go,
Maybe it's a traction control issue.
it could be something. I mean, this is a newer truck, so it's got a lot of electronic modules, you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ours is an '08, so even 15 to us is newer.
Yeah,
we're used to older. Okay, that should be good enough. And at
It
first,
didn't take much. As soon as it started, it went right down.
oh yeah, a heavy truck like this, if you ain't got 4-wheel drive engaged, it'll sink.
Yeah, my fault.
It happens. You didn't know it wasn't gonna work.
No, I've never been stuck on the beat before.
So I might need a
I've been
haul.
there.
It happens. You ain't the first, you won't be the last. And I'll honestly say keep the wheel straight at first. Make sure that we clear the golf cart before you start turning.
Yeah.
But.
And then I guess I'll just keep trying to turn back around and go back out.
Yep, you'll be all right. All right, here we go. Sweet. Yeah, you should be able to turn around, or I'll get out of your way if you want. You can just back straight through.
And I appreciate you guys.
Hey,
Have a
you
good
have
day.
a good one, all right? Enjoy your beach day. All right, one down, possibly more to go. We'll see. All right, guys, we are rolling down south. I got a call for, I don't know what kind of truck it is, I can't remember, but a 2-wheel drive pickup, and he says the tide's approaching the vehicle. So we're gonna check it out. We're getting pretty close, so stay tuned. What was your name?
Alex.
Alex. John, nice to meet you, man. Dude, this thing's sick.
No.
Did you drift it?
It is good.
Hell yeah, dude. That is awesome. All right. Can you turn one of the wheel at all? Will it turn? So basically, I think I can get a bridle on the front, and then I'll just give you a tug, and we'll get you back up in the lane.
Done deal, man.
Sweet, man. All right, I'll get it hooked up.
I see you on TikTok.
Hell yeah. Oh. Well, this needs to come off.
Forward while I...
Yeah.
Right.
Let's turn the wheel the other way, though.
Alright.
Yeah, you'll just get in it. Oh, yeah. You'll just, once I do get it hooked up, you'll just give it a little bit of gas. It should come right
I'll
out.
just dump it quick.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That was awesome.
Thanks, sir.
Oh, yeah, man, of course.
Hey, I've seen y'all on Facebook. I just had to see you for real.
Hey, no problem. No problem. Is this thing NA? What do you got done to it?
It's got like a basically nothing.
Just bolt on?
On the disc, 5-speed,
Oh, yeah.
slam.
With how light it is, it ain't gonna take much to have fun.
Oh yeah, dude, it's a blast. Good beater.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure. Easy to find parts for, everything.
Oh,
Crank it this way. All right.
So how do you like your job?
I can't complain. I cannot complain, man. It is not bad. This thing's so sick. Make sure you rinse it off. I know it's a beater, but you know, make it last as long as you can. That thing freaking chops. That is sick. Hey, have a good one, man.
Yeah.
Have a great day. Here we go, guys. That was a fun one. He was definitely in the water, but wasn't too bad. Obviously, because of how lowered it was, it made it a little bit worse, but we were able to get him out of there. So, see ya.
10 seconds later.
If that's what you want, I don't care. What you want to do, man? Because I think it's so low that it's like on the frame.
Yeah, I feel like if we try and back you up, you're just gonna dive into the
So for
sand
next
more.
time, just use that ramp.
Yeah, Dunlawn's a lot flatter,
Yeah.
for sure. And if you stay close to the ramp, it's normally pretty washed out. All right, we'll just crank the wheel one way. I'll get in front of you and we'll just pull it up onto the concrete. Save us the effort. Oh, this stuff's all nasty.
A brief construction montage.
See you, buddy. Have a good one. All right. Round 2, done. He's out of there. We're out of here. See ya. Like and subscribe to Santo. They're best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.